In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes productively using Notion, the versatile note-taking tool that can transform your document organization strategy. Let's dive right in and get started on creating a structured note-taking system that will enhance both your personal and professional life. First things first, let's log into Notion. Simply open your browser, navigate to Notion's website, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. This is the central hub where all your current projects and notes are easily accessible. It's helpful to keep this page organized, so each time you return, you'll know exactly where you left off. Next, let's create a new note. On the sidebar, find and click the Add New button. This will allow you to start fresh with a new page. A blank canvas opens up, inviting you to tailor it to your specific needs. This can be incredibly freeing, as you have the flexibility to structure your notes in a way that best suits your workflow. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Empty Page. This option provides a clear space and allows you to customize it with various elements that we'll explore later on. Starting with an empty page ensures you're not confined by any pre-existing structures or templates. Now that you've set up your blank page for note-taking, consider adding a database line. Simply type Add Database right into the blank page. This extends Notion's capabilities from simple note-taking into more complex organizational needs, like tracking projects or managing tasks. You'll then want to click on Database, Full Page. This creates a detailed and structured area specifically for your database, a powerful feature that distinguishes Notion from more traditional note-taking apps. You'll find this especially useful for complex projects that require a lot of moving parts. With your database set up, it's time to start customizing your notes. This is where you can adapt the space to meet your particular requirements. Navigate to your existing notes setup and modify it by clicking Add Property to lay the foundation for more intricate note organization. By clicking on Text, you can start inputting fields that will allow you to organize and tag your notes efficiently. This feature is crucial for segmenting your notes into categories or topics, which simplifies retrieval and review later on. For an added layer of customization, type in your tags. This allows you to categorize and easily search through notes, saving you time when you need to reference or use the information. Tags can serve to connect notes across different projects or themes. Perhaps taking notes from scratch isn't your cup of tea. No worries, you also have the option to start with a pre-made template. Navigate to Notion's extensive template library to discover various ready-made options. Choose your template by browsing through the categories. Each template is designed for specific functions, offering a solid framework to quickly set up a sophisticated note-taking setup. Once you've found what you need, just click the Add button. It's that simple. This will allow you to import the template directly into your Notion workspace. Lastly, decide whether to add this template to your private workspace or to a shared one. By clicking Add to Private or your workspace, you'll personalize your Notion setup to better align with your daily habits and organizational style. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to taking notes productively using Notion. By leveraging its powerful features, you can streamline your workflow and make note-taking more effective. Thanks for